guys going on? It's your boy HBOI, also known as AJ Boy. Welcome back to another video. And also, ho everybody. It's Christmas Eve and today. Okay, look, I don't have any Christmas cards, so don't ask, okay? Anyways, we're gonna be just doing an unboxing of doing an SD card, so yeah. So this is the SD card. Oh my god. Let me put my camera on. So we're just gonna unbox this. It's for my Switch, obviously. I also bought this about like 3 months, so I can play it online. If you guys want me to send a friend request with me, go ahead. I can play with you guys. It's just I don't know how to open this. Oh, scissors. Do we have any scissors?
Yes.
Give me a second, guys. Oh, okay, so we have to get some scissors to cut right here. Let me just cut this. Okay, so there. Animals. Oh yeah. I've never done this, okay? So I'm just trying to get this open. No, I don't open this. Okay, okay, I'm just trying to open this, okay? Okay, so here you go. These are the SD cards. Oh, just trying to open this, okay? Okay, there we go. Okay, here's the first one. And here's the second one. Okay, it's really tiny. Alright, so now let me just turn on my Switch lights. Oh, okay. I'm low on battery now. Alright, so now just put this in. The frame. I don't know how to use this. So it's definitely not this. So I just don't know how to do this.
Okay, looks like we are running out of phone. Here.
Oh. I don't know how to do this. The system update is required to use the microSD memory card. You can perform. Okay, so after you put this, alright guys, so after you put your microSD card, it's gonna look like this. I can even get this closer. Okay, let me try to read it. So it will say this. I can't say it because it's backwards. So okay, so I'm gonna system update. Sounds good. So after that, you're gonna need some update. System is available. Update. Okay. The console will restart once the update is complete. Any suspended will be closed. Alright, so after that, you want it to reset. So after this, it's gonna do this. that. Should look like that. And there you go. So let's just let me just check my switch. Alright, so there you guys got it. You've got it now completed. This is how much I got the 64 gigabytes. So that's how you guys get it. And I guys hope you guys have a nice Christmas and Christmas Eve. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.